crumble with the tide. Oh, I try to understand, were we innocent?
Welcome to the channel, everybody. We're back at the LakeHouse. For those of you who are new to the channel, the LakeHouse is a project that James has been working on since the spring of this year. It's not our house. It is for a client of James.
It's a custom build,
Yep.
lakefront property, recreational property. Worked with the clients to design the whole thing, and now we're a little bit past lockup inside. We finally got the windows. We've experienced many delays,
Yeah.
material supply, and labor shortage as well.
Yeah.
Where we live is
A small, very small community. We live in like a lakefront community where most of the people that live around here just come for vacations in the summer and for Christmas. So there's really not a lot of people that even live out here, let alone do the work out here that James needs to get done. We're like, what, 30 minutes drive from any sort of big town?
yeah.
Yeah. So James has experienced a lot of delays with this project, but the outcome is going to be absolutely fabulous.
And we're also going to show you bits and pieces of the stages of the work that's been completed where we left off last time.
Yep. And we have a playlist on our channel called the LakeHouse.
Yeah.
So if you want to get up to date with that, you can go and check out all the videos from start to where we are now. Will be in the LakeHouse playlist, and I'll also link it in the description. All right, babe, let's get on with the video. This is going to be a good one. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the new year. We're really close. So if you haven't hit that subscription button, I think it's down there. Give it a tap, and notification button as well if you feel inclined. But please do subscribe if you're enjoying our content. Hope you enjoy the video.
Was loving you a small crime. Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding? Am I the one bleeding for you? Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding? Am I the one bleeding for you? I took all your promises like a loaded gun, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. Maybe I'm the one to blame, gave you all my love, 'cause I knew you'd shoot me down. Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands, babe? Or am I the one bleeding? Am I the one bleeding for you? Bang, bang, is the blood on your hands?
So again, lots of progress here at the LakeHouse. Basement slab was poured, all the framing put in place, all the delivery systems. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough here, give you a little bit of an inside tour at this stage. Space we just walked through is a exterior storage area. Big opening is going to be for an overhead door, accessible only from the outside. And then we have a laundry room in the basement with one mechanical room for the two-story side of the house. And then we're into a bathroom over here. And this room here is going to be a sauna. Hard to tell with it just framed, but this will be a nice big sauna in here. Go back through. In the pointed section of the house, we've got the two bedrooms. They're pretty much identical in size. Those will be basement bedrooms. And then a nice big open hallway here where the sawhorses are. The wet bar on the right. As you can see, there's rough-ins for plumbing and electrical in place already. And then this is the games area. The pool table in here and TV and couch. And then there's an additional mechanical room for the furnaces, hot water tank, electrical panel. Head upstairs. So at the top of the stairs, you've got your main entry, which is, I guess, essentially the front side of the house. You can see the zoom boom out there. We got the main entry deck roof done as well. And then this whole main entry area is going to be wide open with the kitchen on the left-hand side. I've got materials for the lakeside deck, which we're going to be working on here shortly. We also salvaged all the stone from the fireplace of the house that we demolished. We're going to try to reuse that and repurpose it. Walk up into the great room. We got scaffolding, but give you a bit of a perspective. Again, you can see the nice views in behind. Whip around here. Got a railing in place for an open to above / open to below. Go back through, over into the master bedroom. Again, with vaulted ceilings, you can see the angled windows. And more materials for the lakeside deck. And then in the master we have ensuite with enclosed water closet. And there'll be double vanity and custom shower there. And then I gotta whip around one more time. Hopefully you're not getting dizzy. This whole section of wall will be built-in millwork for closet space in the master. Go back into the hall to the street side. We got a den / office for the owners here with another bathroom. Just a half bath, sorry, 1.5 bath kind of. It has another small custom shower, toilet, and a small vanity. Back on out, and we're gonna go upstairs. A little kind of a neat nook here for bookshelf, and nice high ceilings through the stairs. Up into the loft area. And on this level we have another nice big sitting area with the vaulted ceilings up here as well, where you can look down onto the great room. And probably more importantly, out to the mountains and to the lake. Then we have 2 bedrooms up here with the Jack and Jill bathroom. So this one you would walk through, and you've got toilet and vanity roughed in over here, and then a tub, which is shared, where you walk through and have another toilet and vanity for this bedroom. Up in here. So kind of a neat way to save some space with the design for fitting in an extra bath and giving everybody essentially their own bathroom. So that's where we're at right now, and we're gonna get started on insulating here this week. We are still delayed for windows, so we're gonna have to seal it off from outside. But all in all, making good progress in here. This is kind of a different angle to show as well for the high windows here, just to let natural light into this sitting area.